Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Messenger on Windows 10. So first of all, open your browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and you have opened your browser. You have to go to the search bar and write messenger.com. After you have gone to messenger.com, you have to go to desktop app. Now from here, you have to click on download for Windows. Then the Messenger app will now download. So it will take a moment depending on your internet connection. It may take from some seconds to some minutes. So I'm just going to wait here. So after it has downloaded, you have to click on the file and then open the installer. So the installer has begun. So it's now going to install itself, and it has finished, and that's how you can actually download and install Messenger on Windows 10. Now we can see the Messenger has started. Okay, I'm going to minimize that. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing our channel and liking this video so that we can create more content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.